Yes. Yeah, the fork's a little bit loose, but it doesn't matter because I have got this. Unboxing, I guess. This is a fork shock. Let me put this thing down. Hold on. Alright, this is a fork shock. I never do an unboxing normally. No paperwork. This is from JB Inspire Investments, Pearland, Texas. JB Inspire Investments. It was $79 for the $79 for this. That's the front shock for this. Hopefully I don't know if you can, I don't think you can adjust it, but that's the front fork for the Jetson Bolt Pro. Okay. Okay. Finally got this on. A little bit of work getting it off. This part right here, where you take off this part here. Now this was rusty right here. That's where I cut it. There's a weld right here on the back side, I think, and it's like, I don't know, but I took a lot getting that little piece off, that flange right there. I put it on here to change this fork, and I had to literally tighten this down to get it to compress on here. Now it's on there tight, but it took some doing, you know, getting it, because it was the steering column was wobbling a little bit, wasn't in there, so whoever put it together before didn't put it on tight enough. So finally it got to work, and got my little fender on here. And these right here, these spacers are in here, right here. This one, those spacers came out of here and down here. Let's see if I can, there. Now, if you look down there, when the spacers were in, and I just put the caliper on there, and it was only like a quarter of an inch that it was grabbing onto the disc. So I think what's going to have to happen is maybe get a larger disc. But I think it'll work. It's going to grab about 3/4 of the disc, which I don't know why they didn't provide one. But then when I put it back together, and these bolts that I took out of there. I don't know where they're at now. These, I think these are cheap metal. Well, they had Loctite on there, and I had to literally take a torch and torch them to get the bolts out of there. Like, but I got it on, and I'm gonna work on, you know, next step is to take this cover off and hook the Bluetooth up to it. But I got to take the cover off the other one, get the Bluetooth out of that one, because I have it set to 19 miles an hour, so I'm going to set the speed on this one and put the Bluetooth on here, and check to see if the our pedal assist mode is plugged in. The pedal assist doesn't seem to be. The battery's getting low. I'll have to plug this in here pretty soon. But the pedal assist didn't seem to be working. I don't know if I'm not pedaling hard enough, or I'm not sure, but that's the next step. It's probably going to be a long video, so Jetson Bolt Pro. But I like this shock, it looks cool. Alright, I'm back. This is the next day. So what I'm doing here is changing the handlebars to fit these handlebars. Came off a regular 12 speed or 18 speed, kind of like a mountain bike. So, but I took it out for a test drive today and it works. I got the pedal assist working. I can make it up the hill, and even though I'm so far out of shape that, oh my gosh, I really need the exercise. But this is going to help me. It works really great on flat ground. Going uphill, and I'd say, I'm gonna guess, I can't think of what grade that would be. That would be like 15%. You know, if you look at 90 degrees, it's kind of like this. So, well, anyways, I'll get back to you. It's kind of tricky putting this on. What you do is, the best way to get those rubbers off, the handle grip off, is to put 3-in-1 oil down the side of the tube. So I gotta wash this up, clean it out a little bit, and then let it soak in for a minute. Let it get down, seep down inside, and you start twisting it and it'll pull right off. So that's that. But the best way to do this, to put them back on, is you put the throttle on first and kind of half tighten it down with this right here. Now I noticed that on these, the Jetson Bolt Pro, this Allen screw is smaller than the one from the Jetson Bolt. So two different Allen screws, and the same with the switch here. So I don't know, I think the switch is kind of hinky on this thing, but anyways, I may have to replace it. I'm not really sure, but I'll get back to you on the when the handlebars get done. Well, on to the brake. Okay, what I found out was when you change these forks are actually longer. Here, let me grab a fork. Here's the fork, original fork. So trying to get it about, see the difference in length here. It's close. So you're looking at about 2 inches, maybe 2 or 3 inches. This shock forks are 2 or 3 inches longer than the factory ones. So it means the cable, the original cable, will not work. Well, with the handlebars, I got changed the handlebars, because my handlebars are 22 inches, and the standard handlebars, like the Bolt has, those are 19 inches. So I had to route this. I routed it outside here, and I'm probably gonna maybe zip tie it down here. So I put it down through here, so route it through here. So now I finally got it, but I actually had some extra cables that from some mini bike projects and carburetor projects that I had bought online. So well, that'll be that. Just thought I'd update on this. There it is. Finally got it finished. That's a Bolt Pro. Look at the handlebars. Ended up getting I had some spare cables for the brake. I got a long one. I didn't thread it through here. I just threaded it out here, hooked it up, and it works. So this is the finished, doing all the modifications. And I did do this, the speed hack on it already, and the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is in there but unplugged because I got it set where I want it. So all I got to do is, if I want to change the settings, I just go in and plug the Bluetooth in and redo the settings on it. Because apparently for the pedal assist, which is that right there, there's a wire that goes in and plugs in. Okay, it was plugged in, but in the settings it says Jetson Bolt when you go to ride Jetson. For the settings, there's the 18 mile an hour or 19 mile an hour thing. You press OK, and then you get the one below that. It's like startup settings, and you hit what you do is you hit kick to go, like with your feet. Well, that means pedals. So I had it was unclicked, so I clicked that and turned that on. So now when you start the pedal assist kicks in, and then if you need more power, you just give it throttle. And once you start pedaling, you can stop pedaling, and you'll be able to throttle after that and put it on cruise control and that. So, well, that's all I got to say about it. Probably in the sunlight here, but these are pretty cool. I took it out for a test drive this morning, and the shocks do work